everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose and today I'll be doing two unboxings. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Two of my unboxings. The first one's going to be a BB Beauty Box by Boutique. It's a South Korean beauty products or skincare products. I'll be showing you that. And the next one is from Glossybox. Here in the US. They're both monthly subscriptions. This one is more geared towards makeup, skincare, and hair care versus the Boutique Beauty Box from Korea is mainly geared towards skincare. So I'm going to go ahead and start first with the Boutique Beauty Box from Korea. Comes in a nice package like this, pretty sturdy. Now, this subscription box, if you're not familiar with it, it is, again, K-Beauty products from Korea. You get 6 full-size products, and it's about $24 a month. This is from the, I believe, the April box, so they always come like a month later. So if you subscribe for the May box, now you'll be getting it more towards the beginning of June. Again, this is the April box, which I'll be unboxing. So the theme for, and it's a really pretty, I unwrapped it a little bit. I didn't really look into the products, but it looks like this. You get a little pamphlet. And the theme for this month is Superfoods, Super Skin. So let's go ahead and go into these products. So it's a nice pamphlet you get. It says, hello, beautiful superfoods such as avocados, sweet potatoes, apples, nuts, whole grains, and berries are known to be a category of nutritious, healthy foods. Not only are they great to eat, but they are also amazing ingredients for your skin. This month we picked a variety of superfood products to fill your beauty routine, so sit back, relax, enjoy your fresh super skin. And you also get a little coupon here. If you refer 4 friends, you receive a box on them. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about these products. So the first one I'm going to go pull out, it's called Happy Bath Facial Yogurt Kiwi Cleansing Foam. And it looks like this. And what this is, it's cleansing foam, contains kiwi, lime, and orange extract, which fight oil secretion and help brighten dark spots, which I do have some dark spots. I am getting a little older, so this will totally help me. It's made from Swiss yogurt enriched with vitamins, which help create a glowing complexion. And I guess you put a little pearl-sized amount onto your hands and form a thick lather, massage onto your face in a circular motion, rinse thoroughly with warm water. So a little bit goes a long way, they said, so only use a little pearl-sized amount. They don't give you the dollar amounts of this, so I don't know. Again, this is coming from Korea. I don't know if it's South Korea or North Korea, probably South Korea. Again, this is the Happy Bath Facial Yogurt Kiwi Cleansing Foam. So next I'm going to pull out, oh, this is so adorable. Shaped like an apple. It's the Urban Dull Kiss Apple AC Therapy Sleeping Pack. This apple of our eye, this is the apple of our eye when it comes to sleeping mask. I guess it's a mask. Apple extracts help fight oily skin and premature wrinkles and also soothes troubled skin. This sleeping pack works overnight to ensure a beautiful natural glow come morning. Now to use this, let's see, it says cleanse your face and apply a toner to the skin. Apply the sleeping pack as you would your nightly beauty cream and leave on overnight. Wash in the morning with warm water. So I have to sleep with this, I guess. I'll try it. I'm always looking for something new to try for my nightly routine, so I'll definitely incorporate this. Next we have, it's called Etude House Darling Water Tint Sugar Aid. So that's what it looks like. And this is a water-based lip tint. Oh, okay. It contains pomegranate and grapefruit extracts that are enriched with vitamin and hydrating ingredients which provide moisture to your lips. It absorbs quickly and has a long-lasting formula, so the tint will stay on all day. Interesting. This will be helpful for me because I do need moisturizer for my lips all the time because it dries it out, especially when what I do for my job. I am a flight attendant and I do a lot of long haul flights, and my skin and my lips always get dried out, so this will come in handy. So I guess I start by applying at the center and work my way towards the edge of my lips and let the tint dry before drinking or eating any food to avoid smudging. Good to know. Next, it's, let's see here. Oh, this is a nice big size bottle. It's called Farm Stay It's Real Pomegranate Gel Mist. And that's what it looks like. And this jelly mist provides a cooling effect while moisturizing and hydrating your complexion. The pomegranate extract found within this mist has anti-aging properties and promotes skin cell regeneration. How to use this? Let's see, I have to shake well before using, hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches away from my face, and close my eyes before spraying. Gently pat for absorption. This is also great to be used before or after applying makeup, so that's always good to know. Good to know. So that's really good stuff. Let's see. Next, ooh, I got a mask. Is this a face mask? Oh, no. It's a foot mask. Interesting. I've never heard of that. It's called Pure Derm Lemon Shiny and Soft Foot Peeling Mask. How to use this. Freshen up your feet and remove dead skin cells with this foot mask. It contains lemon and orange extracts to help exfoliate and brighten up your feet. So to use this, wash and dry your feet before applying. Let the mask sit on your feet for about an hour or an hour and a half. After removing, rinse with lukewarm water. Interesting. So yeah, I guess this will be helpful because I do get dry feet, especially wearing nylons and tights all day long with my heels. So that comes in handy. Let's see. Next, last product. This is cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Can you guys see that? It's called Sand Bear Pore Control Cleansing Brush. Makes exfoliating easy with the soft bristle brush that deep cleans my pores. The head of the brush has grooves to help clean every area of your face, and handle fits perfectly into the palm of your hand. So to use this, you wet the brush, apply a cleanser, and gently rub on your face in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Wash your face afterwards. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Nice to know. Again, that's really cute packaging. Can you guys see that? So that's it with this box. Again, it's called Boutique Beauty Box from Korea. It's about $24 a month. That's with shipping. And again, they bill you, and then you don't get your, say you want it for the May box. I haven't gotten my May box yet. But if you want the May box still, there's still time until May 15th. It's $24 a month. They ship it out normally towards the end of the month, so you'll be getting it in the beginning of June or sometime in June. Again, this is what the box looks like. I like it. I love skincare. I love Korea's skincare. I think they really have innovative stuff. So, and you get about 6 full-size size products, I should say. Again, geared more towards skincare. So the next box I'll be doing, I love this box. This is Glossybox. So this month, they geared it more towards skincare again. And if you're not familiar with Glossybox, it's a monthly subscription. They start at $21 per month, or you can do 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. If you want to do the 3 months, they start at $58 every 3 months. If you do 6 months, it's about $111. If you do 12 months, it's $210 for the year. And I love the sturdy packaging. I like to keep these boxes for reuse. I put little things in here. I could use it for gift wrapping up other stuff as well. Again, it's about $21 a month plus shipping, I believe, or I think it might be just a straight $21 a month. Oh, cute packaging. They always have really cute packaging with the ribbon here. I guess there's a free coffee, a value coffee thing. I guess I use a code here. It's from special promo amoracoffee.com. Interesting. And they always come with cute little pamphlets. Packaging again is really cute with tissue paper and the way they wrap things. So this is what the box looks like for this month. And again, they're gearing it more towards skincare. So let's go ahead and look and see what's inside the box. It says, "Heads up Glossies, we've partnered with beauty site lookfantastic.com where you can spend your Glossy credit." Interesting. This summer is around the corner. Now's the perfect time for a break with heavy winter makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and polish off those winter blues. From coconut, caffeine, and watermelon to vitamins and hyaluronic acid, this month's box features an exciting mix of products. They are packed with nourishing, healing, and revitalizing ingredients to kick your skin back into dewy perfection. Love it. I love skincare, guys. Oh, excuse me. I just dropped the paper. Okay. I got my puppies in the background here. They're running around the bedroom. Okay, so again, you come with a nice pamphlet. All right, let's start with Pure Elise. Okay, and this is Pure Elise. It's a coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. Full size is 6 ounces. Full size value is $24. This one is, oh, I can't even see that. I have to use a magnifying glass in my eyesight. Even with glasses, it's getting really poor. Oh, this is a 0.7 ounce. This is what you got to do when you get old, you guys. You got to use magnifying glasses, sorry. Again, this is a coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. That's nice. I'm going to be using that. It's also great for traveling because I like to travel. I like with travel size products inside my travel bags. So that's going to be useful. Next, we have another pre-release product. This one is a watermelon energizing aqua balm. I don't know if you can see that. Focus it in. Okay. Full size is 1.7 full ounces. Full size value is $45. This one is 0.34 ounces. So it's really small. And what this is a lightweight, let me break this again, a lightweight oil-free gel cream filled with vitamins A, B, and C. This aqua balm helps skin energize and hydrated for LA combo, normal, sensitive, and dull skin types that want the energizing benefits of watermelon and other skin nurturing ingredients, including aloe vera, cucumber, and white tea. Huh. It says here, use an aqua balm. Keep your brows in place by dabbing a little bit of cream onto them and brush and shape. Oh, okay. So it's for my eyebrows? Best part, no mess, and the skin under your brows is hydrated and place usually forgotten in the skin. Interesting. Oh, and there's a little coupon here. It says receive 20% off your entire purchase with this code here for Pure Release. So again, if you sign up, you get this. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the code if you're interested in getting the full size of this. It's code is Glossybox20, and you go to www.purerelease.com. Nice and handy. Next, it's a scrubber. This is from Daily Concepts, Individuals Who Think in the Shower Daily Body Scrubber. So that's what it is. Full size one item. This is a $10 value, so I got the full size of this. And basically it's buffing away dead skin cells with this texture. The scrubber has soy-based form material inside to create a rich lather. It's allergy and dermatology tested. Incorporated its label to... Oh, okay, so then you'll know when it's time to throw it away, when it starts fading away, or replace your scrubber. Good to know. And don't scrub too hard, it says. It's cute. It has a cute little inside here. I'm not going to open it, but it has a little handle here in the back or something. Or suction, actually. I think it's a suction for your shower. That's good to have. Okay, next I am going for... Oh, okay, it's an... Oh, nice. Okay, this is from Orizai Beauty. It's a dewy glow balm. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and what this is, it's a dewy glow beauty balm. Full size value is $16. This is 0.85 fluid ounces. Again, travel size, good for me to bring in my little travel bags. This is cruelty-free. All-purpose skin and lip balm will protect your skin. So it's a lip balm. Nice. It protects you from harmful UVA and UVB rays while it moisturizes and smooths for an all-over dewy effect, and is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Good to know. I guess it's for my lips. I love moisturizing my lips. You guys, I get really dry lips. Okay. Next. Looks like it's called Cocoa Star Slice Sheet Mask. I have 2 of them. Nice. So the first one, it's a watermelon sheet mask. And the other one is cucumber sheet mask. And you get 2 sheets. Full size value is $10. It says, have full control of how you apply your mask with Cocoa Star Slice Sheet Mask. Unlike traditional masks, you can peel the masks off your face piece by piece like a sticker. Oh, so you can take them off. Okay. Because you see that? You take them off and you can place them under your eyes and your forehead. I guess you don't have to just not a whole mask. It can be placed wherever you want to. Interesting. So you got cucumber and watermelon. Nice. All right. Looking forward to doing that. And last product is called Grow Gorgeous. Ooh, I like these things. So it's Grow Gorgeous Back to the Roots. Full size is 8 ounces and it's a value of $28. Give your hair a boost with this luxurious scalp mask with a healthy combination of burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and caffeine. This mask will give your hair the extra moisture and volume it craves. I love hair masks. My hair is super thick. It's pretty healthy, but every now and then it does get that frizziness and a little bit of oiliness, but I pretty much keep my hair pretty healthy. Again, that was the Glossybox for the month of April, or is it May? No, May, for the month of May. Again, it starts at $21 a month. If you're interested in signing up, I'll go ahead and leave links down there. None of this is sponsored, so I'm not getting anything out of it. I just like to share with you what I got. If you like, again, this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing another unboxing pretty soon. Good night. Thank you.